Tigger here. Hope you guys are having a great day because today we are playing Unturned. The last time we left off was a house tour, so sorry about the background. My sister's really annoying. She's trying to annoy me, but it's not working. Anyways, I've been living at the military base, and I thought I might want to do some stuff off work. Instead of recording, so I did, but then I'm now recording, so yeah. Don't judge. Okay, now, I found an Alice pack. I found this. I found a bunch of guns. I found all of this metal frags. I came with literally nothing in my inventory besides the saw and my chainsaw. I don't know why I came with a saw. I'm sorry. Sophia! Oh my god. Okay, everything is fine. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. And go check out my other videos if you haven't already. Sophie, please shut up. Sophia! Okay, more guns. Fine. With me. Concentrated. Sophia! Best thing is just to ignore her, huh? Anyways, I'm gonna be right back for more loot. Yes, I'm a cheater, aren't I? Why am I a cheater? Alright, now we're back here with more loot. Let's see, nothing really in here. We found another Alice pack. Oh my gosh, I'm taking that home just in case if I lose it somehow. Ooh, is this a rifle? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna take this saber tooth home. Don't need that. What does it? Oh, I know exactly what a peacemaker holds. Okay, now that was technically the loot room. Really, another one? Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? The old trick that Mama used to do. Well, still does it, but still. Oh! I have ammo for this. Sabertooth magazine. I never knew I had that. Okay. Now, thing in here I don't need. I'm just gonna ignore the ammo and the guns, I guess. Just for now. Peacemaker magazine. Okay. Now I have actually ammo for the Peacemaker, so that's good. Really? Another one? Okay, so now alright. Oh my, loot's everywhere, huh? Okay, let's see what we can do with this puppy. Okay, take the ammo out of here. Actually, I think I can hold any gun, the one that holds the hold maker at home. I'm walking like this. Why? Because I said, that's my teacher says. She said, we're working on this today. Why? Because, oh, the Jeep. I need this open. I need that open or I can't get out. to get out? Ugh. Has to be a way I can break it. Just has to. Nothing. Got nothing. Okay. I'm gonna try. Get through this. That's not gonna work. See if this works. Still nothing. One more time. One more time. I'm gonna do this until this car blows up. Oh my god! I thought it would. Oh. Fuel? Are you serious? Okay, since we have it now, then nothing. We have this, so I don't know. Okay, I just threw a marker at my sister to tell her to shut up. Okay, I'm in the middle of actually writing a story, but I thought I might record doing it, so I'm actually writing a big story. I'm on page 2 right now. It actually was hard. I'm not plagiarizing because that would just be rude, and it's coming from my own heart. I thought of it, and I'll read it to you in the next video. Maybe. Okay, so. Okay. Big boom fireworks. That's hilarious. Okay, I don't know why that's hilarious. Oh, helicopter. But we need an umbrella. That's at my house. Are you joking? Okay, let's go to a clothes shop. See if there's an umbrella now. Wait, I do have a gas can. Is it empty? It's at my house. Are you joking? Does it seem like it's... Okay, I'm grabbing this ammo for Cobra box, Cobra ammo for my house because I actually have a Cobra at my house, and actually I actually have a crate for ammo, so I'm gonna add that to it. That's not a big deal. Okay, clothes shop, please be in a umbrella, please. I'm asking you, please. Are you joking? There's usually an umbrella. But now since there's not, then it's gonna have to go the hard way. Butthole. Blowtorch. I'll take that. I already have one, but just for sakes, you know. Chaz. Take my Chaz. Chocolate bar. Chocolate. My sister's saying, why do you gotta be so rude? Why do you gotta be so rude? Why you gotta be so rude? Okay. Why would someone have a gun in their house? I mean, that maybe like self-protection. I get that, but seriously? Why would I want a potato? I don't even have any room. Okay, I gotta drop something. I have a lot of metal fragments. Okay, come on, water bottle. It's the most important thing, water in your system. Come on. Well, there's a car, so it's gonna have to do for now. Okay, so I go here. Perfect, okay. Metal fragments. You know what you need? If you want a metal base, then you're gonna have a lot of metal fragments, and I'm preparing for that, so yeah. Okay. Ow. What happened? Oh! Ooh. Okay. I'm leaving this here because we're going to need that. So blowing it up. I like my flag how it says Tigger. Tigger, Tiger, Tigger, Tigger, Tiger, Tigger, Tigger, Tiger. Subscribe for more. I like that. But seriously, guys, if you guys enjoy this video so far, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because, you know, it means a lot. If you already subscribed to my channel, if you're just a viewer, hi, it's me. I'm here. Hi, what do you want? Okay, so here are the weapons. And I have a lot. Okay, so I have a blowtorch, and I also have a saw somewhere. I have a saw in my inventory. I think it's right here. I'm gonna need a lot more space for guns. I mean, seriously. Oh my, you know what? I got an idea. Take this grenade off. Actually, it could stay in there if it wants to, but if it wants to, I better ask him. Are you joking? Alright, that works. Also, Peacemaker works too.
I love this game.
I don't care. That works too. Peacemaker is a bit short, so yeah, I'm not a fan. Sabretooth is better. Okay, Sabretooth. Duh. How do you isn't there a way to lock it or something? Okay, stores. That's good in there. We have a lot of storage space, so here's gonna be right here's gonna be my guns. Another, it looks like it's all kitchen. There's nothing inside of it. Do not open the cabinets, you know? And it's also going to be, no, it's just going to be the guns. The ammo's in a different box, so. No, not the guns. I mean, weapons. Well, gun counts, so, yeah, whatever. Whatever. Put this in my inventory, and where's the grip? Because that is going on my bob. Looks like you can't. Why you gotta be so rude? Why you gotta be so rude? She started it. Okay, so this is wood, and this is the bandages. I have a lot of bandages. I'm just gonna slip this in here. It doesn't matter. And I think I may have more. Maybe I have a rag or something. No bandages from leftover. Okay, this is the ammo box. I like just stacking up on ammo, just in case if you run out, you're like, oh my god, I have to go, whatever. Ow, my appendix is throbbing. Anyways, I was saying that, yeah, I'm done. Okay, there should be another box of ammo. That is the only ammo box, so this is going to be the ammo box. Don't open this. This is nothing but cherries in here. I love cherries. Oh, it's such a big cherry. Okay. Aren't I comedy?
No.
Thank you, Sophia. Thanks for the effort. I love it. Okay, so this fridge, chocolate doesn't go in the fridge. It could. Granola bar doesn't. So I'm going to make a cabinet for that. Chips doesn't go in there. Blowtorch doesn't go in there. But lettuce does. Chips could, but it would taste disgusting after. This is going to be the chips and stuff that you do not put in the fridge. So Rude. 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 Repeating after my sister. Rude. Okay, I have a lot of grenades now. I mean, seriously. Mostly because I cheated on it. No, I have more stuff to put in the fridge. Serious? I have a lot of metal fragments. There's definitely going to need a cupboard for that. Soon enough, I'm going to need more cupboards. And I'm going to need another fridge. I need to eat and drink and stuff. I need one more slot for something in the fridge. Okay, now I got to put that in there. Bread. Okay, in here. Let's see what I can fit in. Okay, I can put some stuff in here. Where do I put this? I don't know. I think I'm going to put it down. I have no idea what it does. Once I figure it out, I can salvage, salvag, whatever. It's, oh, I see. You turn it around. I'm guessing? I don't know. It's on. Wait, on means it's on or off? Turn it off means to turn it off, which means it's on or what? I don't even know what. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't know what that does. Why you gotta be so rude? I have a lot of rope for like the thingamabob, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You got it. You got it. For the thing, which is a library, yeah, I wasn't thinking, so yeah, that wasn't what. Forgot I was talking about. Ah! Good. Oh, I see. This goes down, which means I put it up there later. Does this go in there? I'm just going to put that in there. No, that goes in weapons, so I'm just going to keep that. So do these. And this goes in the gun room. Whoa, that's a lot of metal scraps. They're like piling up. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I put these in there, and I'm happy now. And why gotta be so rude? I'm gonna make a song. Hi, how you doing? That's my song. This is taking so long. You know, I'm gonna go a little bit faster. I'm gonna be a little bit faster. Done. Done. No. Done. 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 Boom. Bam. What? Okay, I need to pick all these up now. Pick the floating one in the air. Okay, so that's guns. I'm gonna put the grip in the gun thing. I think it's already in there. Glitch or something? I don't even know. Okay. Don't even know. Oh, I see. Why did it go sideways now? Okay. This is in weapons. This is in weapons. No! Now it should be sideways. I don't even care what it went because I don't even need it. Okay. That goes in there. That goes in there. This butthole right here goes in there. Now twins. Woo! Okay, so oh my god, are you serious? I think you need like what? Rude. Why you gotta be so? Why you gotta be so? Pain in my butt. Pain in my butt. Yeah, pain in my butt. Yeah. You know? Oh my gosh, so I was watching this kid because I was playing Roblox because I was bored. That's why. Why? Because I said, and there's this kid who said, check out my channel at like something at YouTube something, I don't know. And I looked it up because I copied and pasted. Excuse me. I copied and pasted it. And his channel, oh my god, he must be like 5. He said on one of his videos, I lost a tooth. The tooth fairy didn't come because she didn't come. I don't know why. How stupid is that? I mean, I'm not judging. I mean, he's only 5 and doesn't know that. If you guys are watching this and you're like 10 and under, tooth fairy isn't real. It's a fairy tale. Santa's not real. North Pole isn't real. It's just the North Pole. Do you understand that, kids? Oh my god. You know what I'm going to do with all this? I'm going to do something about it.
Okay. Official.
What?
I'm addicted.
To what?
Talkies.
Oh.
They're really good. You guys don't remember? Oh, it's up there. You know they're really good. I hate them. They're so good. I don't think you tried them right. No, I did.
Wait, what is it?
Those Takis, those things you asked the girl for at school.
Oh, the talkies.
Let's Google that. Yeah. Right, Shayna?
Yeah, it made me drool. It was so hot.
No, they're not even that hot.
Really? I know they taste like they're not hot, but they taste like weird.
They're good.
Yeah.
They're addicting, right?
Yeah. I had the like.
I don't even understand it. It's just weird. I just like them.
Sorry guys, one sec. Yeah, I know it. There's good, but like I don't know. Okay, I have 43 metal scraps. That's a lot. Okay. Just gonna make 100 of these. Oh, what did I do? There. Oh wow, that's a lot. Inventory. Wow. Okay, craft. Metal foundation. Crafting 2. I thought I had that. Okay.
My nose is running.
Really? Huh.
You make your nose run, Shayna?
Sometimes it makes me drool.
Just gonna read a book. Get ready for math.
Oh, well, hilarious. So funny. I mean, really? Okay. I have 28 experience, so that should be for... Okay, no. That's crafting 1. Does it still... Crafting. Oh, you still need craft... Okay. Butthole. Okay. I don't even want the wood, I just want the experience. This chainsaw is so loud, I can barely hear myself. I feel like screaming. Okay, I'm just gonna cut down every tree there is on the island. So bored. Okay, now skills. What? How? I thought. I was gonna leave the game so like the trees will come back, but then the stuff on the floor will be gone, which is my metal sheets. Okay, I wanted to go to 3, but I don't really specifically need 3. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna move. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Okay, floor, pillar, 1, 2, 3. 4. So now I have that. Now all I need is walls. I don't have enough. Now it's not gonna be hard, like to shove everything. Let's get 1. I still need more though. That's not fair. Move. Okay. Now I'm gonna put it like up here. Beautiful. I don't know what this room is gonna be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then now, I have 2 sheets, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I'm gonna have like run right here. Sophie, look! I'm starting middle base. Zoe, look! I'm starting middle base. She doesn't care. Oh, wait. These are making me really sick. Oh, no. Oh. It's going the opposite way, like... Please go away. This is so hard to control. Like, when I move my mouse up... down, my face goes up. When I move it down... No, it's fixed. Okay. That was weird. Okay. Kind of like that. That was fun. Okay. Now all I need is to put this in here. I'm gonna look for more metal fragments because I need to fix my beans. So with that, you guys, I'm going. Come with me because you're going to die if you don't. Boom! I'm taking my saber tooth. Where's the ammo? Thank you. I'm taking my umbrella because it would help. I'll show you guys. It's hard to explain. So, can you shut up, Sophia? Rude. Gonna be so rude. I'm taking... I wish I had a car jack. I saw it once, but I didn't take it because I didn't care. Biffer. Sophia. You're so annoying! Okay, I need to, like, go faster some way. She's like, oh, Sophia, shut up. Oh my god, that looks like I was dabbing. I'm dabbing. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Sophie, look it. I'm dabbing. That's hilarious. I'm gonna see if it does it up here. That is, I'm like, oh wow. Well, my arm doesn't go up because I'm not swimming, but same thing. You know what? Same, homie. It's empty! Same difference. Okay. About to go straight to Seattle. Seattle. Would you rather live in Ohio or Seattle? There's a big difference, but I would pick Seattle. Would you rather live in Sacramento or Seattle? I'd pick Seattle. Sacramento's okay, but same thing. Okay, it's squished through here. Okay. I'm not going to police station. This is where a lot of seeds are. That equals food. So, fertilizer to make them grow. Goody goody gum job. I should have said that. Rude. Why you gotta be so rude? Am. And I love it. Okay. Just say subscribe for more. Like you just started the video. Hi, subscribe for more. Bye. Oh. Ah! Oh! Ah! So close. Okay. Oh, Carjack. I was just talking about you. I love you. Carjack. I want to marry you. Alright, goody goody gumdrop. Stop! Seriously? Okay. Done. Seriously? I've taken 2 more trips because I want this to be full. Is it already full or what? Oh, okay. Okay, 100. Now. No, it's at 0. But same difference. Okay, no. Oh, blowtorch, I don't need another one of you. I already got 2 of you and I hate it. Waste of room, but it's too hard to throw away. I'm gonna look in the guns. Maybe there's ammo for my gun. I'm not already gonna grab ammo that I already have. Like, I mean, ammo I don't want, because that's just a waste. Military for my military gun. Sabertooth, sport shot, do not want that. Sabertooth, sport shot, do not want that. Sabertooth, sport shot. Sabertooth, sport shot! Okay. Okay. Aren't I comedy? I'm waiting for a response, Sophie. Okay. This baby right here is what I'm looking for. Right here is put the spotlight on her. Ooh. Perfect. The light is shining on her. Oh, now it's on me. I stole your spotlight. No! No! Frick my comedy. Why? Ugh! I am so... It's my flowers to you. Butthole. Hate you. Ah! I'm so excited. I technically came here for you. You don't get a spotlight, butthole. Hate you. I mean, I used to love her, but until she died, I don't love her anymore. I mean, I love her forever, but she doesn't love me because she's fucking dead! Okay. I'm here now. Metal fragment, please make me happy. But... Butthole. Okay, no metal fragments. Please metal sheet, that would be even better. Metal bar, don't need you, but I'll take you just in case. Screw my umbrella. He's dead. She's dead forever. Sophia, I was stealing the spotlight of my helicopter and I accidentally hit it. And you put the durability if you hit the thing too high. If you one time, it'll die automatically and it blew up. Butthole. I wasn't talking to you, you butthole. Everything that's all right, I hate you all. Single. Player. Play. I'm gonna keep doing this until I have like 100 metal fragments. I don't want a frigging railgun. Butthole. I hate everyone. Especially, I mean, not my subscribers, because I love my subscribers. Subscribe now. Okay, where? I don't have a saw, do I? No, I don't. I build it when I get in my house. Butthole. Nothing. Nothing is what I expected. Crap my butthole. Play! Okay, everything's fine. I'm good. I'm getting up trapped. No, I'm not. I feel like I'm gonna die. Okay. Why is there so much ammo for freaking railguns? Waste of room. Okay. Oh! What do you got about so rude? Oh, I forgot to look in one place. Doesn't care. Doesn't matter, I mean. Wrong button. Ew. This is my last one I'm ever gonna do. Nothing in there. Ew. Why did you burp, guys? It's disgusting. Oh, boom! Okay, guys, this is it for today. I'm sorry I killed my dear old helicopter. I was really planning to actually ride it. That's why I got an extra jug of gas can. And also, that's why I brought my umbrella. Because just in case we're about to crash or if my helicopter ran out of fuel, you can jump out with the umbrella in your hand and you'll float safely to the bottom and you will not take damage. So that's why I really wanted that umbrella, and I also really wanted to fly it. And I was just messing around and I accidentally killed it! Butthole. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for me, I mean. And have a great day, because today is the best day ever, dab. That's not even dabbing, but you know what? Better than anything. Ooh. Dab! Oh, I gotta get out of it, but dab! Toodles! See you next time.